Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you in the market for a perfect family-oriented home? If you are, look no further. With your TLC, you can make this structurally solid, two-story, 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house yours. It is nestled in the cool, relaxing, neighborly community of Green Acres, with commanding view of the Palms of St. Catherine. The land area of this house is approximately 11,707 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 41 million or US $266,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.